It's been pouring rain for the last 2 days and I haven't stopped, as you can tell. But anyway, so it's fully reconstructed. I'm ready for the top. I just need to go down the line here, seal all these joints with some adhesive, and then I've got Henry's primer, and I also have the wet patch, which is a rubberized roof wet patch that I'm going to put on top of all this stuff. So started here last night a little bit, filling in all these cracks. That's where the moisture gets between those two, and it just falls apart. Got a lot of work to do on this beam. I got to cut this back about 1 3/4 inches, come down the solid wood, and then put a 2x4 in there because it's not really looking too good. I'm going to put flashing underneath here. We had the rain, and what we're getting is a lot of rain that's falling straight down on this stuff. So I'm going to put a 6-inch flashing, run it alongside, kick everything away from the new stuff. So reconstructed some of the stuff I married up. I've got 4x4s all the way down this side. They didn't have that. And it's all level. And I had to rebuild this section back here. I'm stopping here because this is where he's going to end with the stone. I did get my entire back here level. I think it's a little high, but I was able to just bring it up without anything else with a jack. I bought a couple of these jacks because these were all rusted out, as you can see. And then I've got, I'm going to stop right here for now, get the boards on, treat it. By Friday, I should be laying the deck. Then I get that nice straight edge down here with the 2x8, and then he'll have the top and bottom surface to affix that. He'll stop right here. I can work on this later. So repurposing as much wood as I can. That's good. So today, just have to rip this wood out from the faucet here, take this all out, and replace it with fresh. I got to cut this with the chainsaw down because it's starting to push over. Get rid of the tree, and then he'll have his surface ready to go with the 2x8 along the side, deck ready. And then I have to run some PVC, cut this off, run it to the front, and put a new faucet back there and move it away from the wall. So I got a little bit of irrigation and PVC stuff to do, which is a piece of cake, but it's all time because I got these guys coming out on Friday. I got to have this thing done. And I'm going to run that water all the way out. I did, Jim. I got the spigot that's going to come above the stone right out here with a 45. And I have another valve right here. And I have a bitchin' little adjustable sprinkler, or it's one of those faucet things so you can wash your feet off. So got the gap here for the guy, and he'll put this stuff up against this one. But he'll slide the panel right in there. I got to put a little bit of siding down at the bottom here. I've got some left over, and I'm going to do it over here as well because the stone won't go all the way down. So really, I just got all the prep work, primer, seal, and then go over with the wet patch right here. And then I'll be completely sealed up. Probably go over to Home Depot on Thursday and get the wood, start the deck. So, yeah. A little more work than I thought, but not as bad as I thought. So, I'm happy.